Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to see archive history in Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Click on menu option. Tap on settings. Scroll down. This option your activity, then tap on activity log. Click on activity history. Just wait few seconds. Okay, then back. Tap on archive. Click on history archive. Just click. Then see archive history in Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.